Hello folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier, three very accomplished internet marketers in their own right. Now, this is a massive opportunity for you folks, so if you're interested, click that first link in the description below. Now for my review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I'll give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus will show you how to alleviate stress with meditation. Now, this is a complimentary package with this particular product, and it has a over 2,500 word work ebook in PDF and Word format, and an e-cover, and as well as a 23-minute video. Now, both the ebook and the video cover the history as well as how to implement a strategy for meditation. It also comes with a PowerPoint slide deck and a PLR license. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic so that you can make money online. The third bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr, so that when you get an order of a high value gig, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver it to your buyer, and you pocket the difference. Bonus number 4, you'll learn how to create a passive income, and the important thing here, folks, is to remember that this is a recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the 5th bonus will show you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 easy steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, the vendor of Stressless to achieve more are fire launchers. Now, fire launchers are product producers and vendors that I have used on numerous occasions, and they produce products for online marketers in a fairly simplified format, but don't let that fool you, because the formats that they use are very complete in their presentation, and their products are always popular. And to date, Fire Launchers has over 48,000 sales to their credit. So they've been in the market for a while, and they're very popular. In a nutshell, Stressless to achieve more with, and that's with the PLR, really fundamentally shows you how to do more with less stress, so that you can achieve more and provide a formula for yourself for success. Now, what you should know about this product is that it includes an ebook, blogs, articles, and more, and you can sell it under your name and keep all the profits, and that's why it's a PLR product. It's complete, ready to use, ready to have a sales material for reselling. It's high quality promotional material, and you can sell it for 100% profit, and it's well researched in a hot niche, and you don't need any technical expertise or unique skill to offer this particular product. It's all done for you. Now, it's also evergreen, which really means that it has long-lasting um, sales opportunity. It's in a high-demand niche, and there's a fairly large and huge market size for this product. Topics covered include understanding the link between stress and productivity, recognizing different types of stress and their impact, incorporating mindful techniques into daily life, the role of physical activity in stress management, overcoming negative thought patterns, understanding the connection between sleep and stress, and creating a balanced and nourishing diet, as well as balancing technology for the use of less stress. Included, you get in the front end, you get a premier training guide on Stressless to achieve more. You get a well-designed sales page, a customer sales video, professionally designed graphics, animated banners, professionally created expert email templates, professional mini sites, legal pages, and social media graphics. And if you ask fast, so make sure that you do that. You also get a cheat sheet, a mind map, and top resource reports. And I have found that there's all kinds of other kinds of things in this particular program that will be of interest to you. Now that total value is over $3,700. Now the sales funnel looks like this. The front end is $11.95. Now there's along with that front end, you can bump it up a little bit for $37, and this is right on the sales page right at the beginning. Now, upsell number 2 includes healthy supplement secrets with PLR for $11.95. Upsell number 3 is more healthy supplement secrets with PLR, and that's for $37. And upsell number 4 is a lifetime PLR membership. And what this is about $1 for an introductory to give you a sense of what it's all about. And then it's $27 a month or $297 a year. Upsell number 5 is you can ask fire alarmers to help you with product installation services, and that's for $297. Now, also watch for the down sales, because you'll receive some money, but you'll get less product with the down sales. So if you need to know more, click on the second link below and get the full story. Before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below, and I cannot recommend this more for you. So make sure you check that out. And my 5 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business, buy services from Fiverr, gain reoccurring income, earn daily income, and alleviate stress with meditation. And that's a complete PLR package complementing stress less to do more. Now, thank you for watching, folks. See you next time. Bye for now.